In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up browser notifications in HubSpot. If you're looking to stay updated with your HubSpot activities directly from your browser, this is the tutorial for you. Let's dive in and make sure you never miss an important update again. First things first, you'll need to access your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll notice a gear icon, which is the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various settings related to your HubSpot account. Now that you're in the settings area, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see several options under the section labeled Your Preferences. From this list, you'll want to select Notifications. This is where you can manage how and where you receive alerts from HubSpot, allowing you to tailor your experience to what works best for you. Once you're in the Notification section, your next step is to locate the Email and Desktop tab. You'll find this tab at the top of the page. Clicking on it will bring up a variety of notification settings. This tab is crucial because it combines both email and desktop notifications, offering a consolidated view of how you can manage your alerts. Now, let's focus on enabling those browser notifications. Scroll down to the section titled How You Get Notified. Here, you'll see various options for receiving notifications. What we're interested in is the browser toggle. It might look like a simple switch, but it plays a big role in ensuring you're kept in the loop without having to rely solely on email notifications. Make sure to switch this toggle to the on position. When you do this, you're activating browser notifications, which means you'll receive pop-up alerts directly on your screen whenever there's an update in HubSpot. A few tips to keep in mind. Browser notifications are a handy way to stay informed, especially if you spend a lot of time working online. They can keep you updated without having to constantly check your email, which is a great time saver. However, if you find your screen getting cluttered with too many notifications, you can always revisit these settings and customize them further to better suit your needs. And that's it. You've successfully set up browser notifications in HubSpot. With these notifications enabled, you can now stay on top of your HubSpot activities without missing a beat. Thanks for following along, and I hope this setup helps streamline your workflow. If you found this guide useful, feel free to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your HubSpot experience.